A great leader knows how to follow, knows the pain of following, knows the pain of letting go to follow. And if you're not a leader. Lideran lang. Okay? Ngayon, mahilig ako magpatanong sa katabi natin. One way to check also kung okay ba sila, kung nakakarinig ba sila, kung nasa wisyo sila, di ba? Tanungin mo sa kanya, lideran ka ba? Lahat ng natututunan nyo, academic. Then more of academic learner ka, academic teacher. Umabot ka ba ng PhD at after that, nag-postmasters, lahat ba inaral mo? Academic ang tawag doon. Okay? So, if you use all your time, energy, and resources doing this and no application, you are just smart. Academic leader, smart leader. And I taught you yesterday the difference between wise and smart. Okay. Now, marami ring umaangat at nagiging successful na leader na puro experience. Magandang teacher ang experience, di ba? Sabi nga natin, lahat ng failure pinagdaanan ko na sobrang wala yan sa mga libro. Okay. Experience. Kapag ang speaker, trainer, puro experience, wala masyadong certification, wala academic, ang tawag doon, resource speaker. Kapag ang speaker, isang katutak, parang 10 pages na ang kanyang credentials when it comes to lahat ng natapos niya at nag-graduate niya certification, ang tawag doon, academic speaker. And as your teacher, hindi yan ang goal ko sa inyo. Nakas, parang di ba? Parang masterclass. We need to use all, so, lahat yan, time, energy, resources, time, energy. So we need to use all our time, energy, kasama dyan lahat ng energy nyo, and lahat ng resources, kasama ang mga investment, oras, para maging expert. That is something that not all people know. They claim themselves as expert, even if they don't have both axes. You only become an expert when your academic is parallel to your experience. Which means, no matter how small the learning, as long as ina-apply mo. Example, color palette. Ang ganda naman ng tip, libre binigay kong tip. And then, ginawa mo pa rin, bili ka pa rin ng damit without really experiencing the difference. Eto ka lang. So here, ang goal natin is equal lahat ng learning sa experience. Which one is you? Academic, resource, or expert? Your goal now to build this team, trust, engagement, accountability, and motivation is every day to become an expert. Wala kang papalagpasan na learning na hindi mo ina-apply. This is my version of team. Trust, engagement, accountability, and how to move forward pag may mga challenges, motivation, motivation, motivation. I believe I am a qualified teacher here because I understand what it takes to follow a leader before I become a leader. A great leader is a follower. If you're not a follower, you're not a leader. Got it? A great leader knows how to follow, knows the pain of following, knows the pain of letting go to follow. And if you're not a leader. Lideran lang. Okay? Ngayon, mahilig ako magpatanong sa katabi natin. One way to check also kung okay ba sila, kung nakakarinig ba sila, kung nasa wisyo sila, di ba? Tanungin mo sa kanya, lideran ka ba? Go! I created your own team goal based on AMLC acronym framework. A is for align team objectives. M is to maintain trust. L is to leverage engagement. And C, a team will not be a team kung walang accountability. Okay. You have experienced so many things during the activity. Some have bright ideas, right? Some talagang, ito munang gagawin natin bago ito. Some has a lot of talkies, but in the end, lahat kayo nakagawa ng tower. Palakpakan nyo naman ang isa't isa. At nakita nyo rin, mas kayong naninira, may strategy. Di ba? So lahat ng tao, grupo, may strategy whether you are building and destroying. You need to build trust. The fact that all groups are able to deliver that tower, whether mataas siya, tumumba, you only had one leader whom I met earlier, right? And can I just ask you to clap for that leader whom you have trusted? Isa lang kinausap ko, pero gumana lahat, right? That is a team. Someone needs to lead whom you trust. Someone who can lead. But you need to trust that leader. You need to remove this fear of conflict hanggang sa magkaroon na kayo ng high-performance team. They were planning and strategizing not just to achieve the goal, but guess what? They were planning and strategizing on the struggles that they will encounter. Many teams are just trying to, itong goal natin, itong goal natin, itong goal natin. But nobody planned about pag nangyari to, anong gagawin mo? Pag nangyari to, asan ka? Anong desisyon mo? Pag nangyari to, anong desisyon mo? Iiwan mo team o hindi? They plan anong gagawin pag na-foul. Di ba? They plan anong gagawin pag isa na-injure. They plan anong gagawin pag isa may, yung pinaka-star player natin may nagsiko at nawala. If you are not doing that yet in your team, no one is too late. Plan also about the struggles. Plan also about the setbacks. Plan also pag yung isa dyan, totally sinabi, babaliktad na ako sa'yo, sisiraan kita.
Doon sa experience namin about the communication. So it's very difficult indeed that when you try to provide directions but there's no feedback from the team. So there's the subsequent issue.
Bali, ang natutunan ko po and siguro isang valuable insight is the acceptance that all people are different. And each of us will have a unique contribution to the team.
Yung takeaway ko po from yesterday and today is communication is really important, lalo na sa recent activity namin.
I think the most important or my key takeaway for this two-day session is that the legacy that you will leave behind. And what legacy is that? To be able to empower people, to build a team that will work towards a common goal. It's not a me thing, rather it's a we thing.
I think the most significant insight was the one you said, ma'am, na yung saying na look good, feel good, do good is not sustainable. It should be feel good, look good, and do good.
Go! Respect. Okay, respect. Teamwork. Teamwork. Get ready to say no. Sorry.
Inspire.
Inspire. Brilliant.
Love.
Love. Be well.
Self-awareness.
Self-awareness. Practical.
Strategize.
Strategize.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Enlightening. So we leave this room, we end this session with one truth, that we are not perfect. So never expect that from each other. Instead, we try to plan out when your imperfections hit each other, what do we do? Whenever I disappoint you, what will I do and what you will do? So we now plan out on all aspects of imperfection because that's who we are. We're not perfect. So in everything, everyone, in everything, we wanted to anchor on something that is perfect so that our imperfection will find a way. In everything that you do, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart as working for the Lord, not for human masters.